This is the Oppo Find X9 Pro, and there are a couple of specs right here that are going to blow your mind. As you can see, this one has come straight from China. It is box fresh, so let's get it out and see what it comes with. And just before we do that, it's worth noting the collab with Hasselblad continues. The RAM is 16 gigs and the storage is 512 on this model right here. I'm not sure what the color is. We're about to find out. The tagline for this phone is "Make your moment." First out of the box is the paperwork, quick start guide, safety guide, SIM ejector tool. Yes, it does have a SIM tray. And here is the phone itself. And then just underneath, we've got a little bit of advertising for some other Oppo products. Anyway, let's see what's behind it. So they give you USB-C to USB-A, and they also give you a little USB-C to A adapter as well. That's really nice of them. It would have been even nicer if they provided the charger, because this phone, I'm told, can charge up to speeds of 55 watts. And I'm also told it charges wirelessly via AirVook at 50 watts as well, which is absolutely insane. So let's unpeel this. So this is a really nice looking phone. The back of it appears to be glass. The camera module has got this kind of squircle shape. You've got 3 cameras there. You've got a bit of Hasselblad branding right there. The primary camera on this uses a Sony LYT-808 sensor. The ultra wide is also a 50 megapixel sensor. And the telephoto is a 3x triple prism periscope telephoto with a large 1/1.95 inch sensor. And there's also another sensor here. It's a dedicated spectral sensor for accurate colors. So the design has flat sides all the way around. You've got your volume rocker, you've got your power key. Here you do have a dedicated camera button. Where have we seen that before? I think Sony were the originals and then Apple copied it. And now we do have it here on the Oppo, and I'm not complaining. And there is one more button on this side as well. I believe this is what they call the Snap key. This allows you to access Oppo's AI Mindspace app. Of course, this is an LTPO display, so it's super efficient and it's super bright, up to 3600 nits peak brightness. Something that's kind of blown my mind a bit is how narrow the bezels are around the display. This is actually the thinnest bezels on any Oppo phone to date. Also, there's a brand new under display sonic fingerprint reader, which is 33% faster than the previous one. The display on this one is 6.78 inch and the chipset inside is the 3nm MediaTek Dimensity 9500. Of course, I will be covering this phone in much more depth on the channel, but the one key spec that I want to share with you right now is this: 7,500 milliamp hour battery. That's double what the iPhone 17 regular edition has.